There are these war crimes, psychological war crimes, humanity based. I'm in the heart of nature, baby. That's right. Levy Meadows. Check it out. And you know these war crimes that a lot of people are going to be put in court for? You know. And they're already guilty. They're already guilty, people. How about that? And this is what's going to be astounding to people. Astounding. That they're already guilty. Watch them. The ones I mentioned. Should I mention them again? John X Army, Jeff Doherty. Watch them. I'm going to upload this video, yeah? Watch them. Because they watch me. Believe me. Become shadows of their former selves. Shadows. Watch them. Not be so cocky. Not be so piss-taking. Because they know what's coming down. Right? They fully know. Yes, I'm pecking on them. Why not? It's for everyone else to see, people. And I am hung up on this because everyone else is. That's why. It's the reason why I can't move on. It's because everyone else can't. Because they're engrossed by these horrible, nasty mind controllers, which they are. Alright? Now, watch them. Squirm. Watch what video they make next. I mean, this is going out worldwide, isn't it? You know, across the globe. And I know there's people who watch John X Army and friggin' Jeff Doherty to see some of mine. They probably don't, do they? Because they're so friggin' pig ignorant. And they're the pigs. They're the friggin' pigs. They're ignorant people, you know. And it's this is where it's going to go. People are going to open their eyes a bit more. Realise what has been going on. It's a big deception. It's nasty. Think about it. Really nasty. And I do think about it. Can't help myself, really. Because I do analyse a lot of things. Believe it or not. Lovely ducks. Some ducks there, look. And they're basically abusing